Hi everyone, I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood, and I'm going to give a little wizardry out to y'all today. So you've seen all the videos that I've done. Hopefully, if you're new to the channel, you can check out some of the videos where we talk about how coatings have changed over the years. They're tougher to get off and so forth. And there's a lot of people that are still trying to either use sodium hydroxide, which is great for oil-based, but it's not so good for all the other coatings today, and water-based and so forth. So it's been difficult for people to find a good stripper to take stuff off, coatings off. And then if they go online, they're just getting bad information. It's just bad information passed on from years gone by. It was good back in, I think there was cavemen. They were still dragging women behind by their hair, carried a club, that kind of stuff. So they're still dinosaur age, repeating the same crap over and over and frustrating many people, contractors, homeowners, and so forth. So I'll get the call, hey Wizard, literally, hey Wizard, I need some help. I'm in this situation. I told the customer I could get this off and it's not coming off. Or we get homeowners that'll send an email or possibly call on the same thing. So what happens is you have ethylene monobutyl glycol ether that is in certain products that help boost. We call it Butyl, and Butyl helps boost the sodium hydroxide or a lot of strippers. So I'll get this call and it says, I use sodium hydroxide. Well, how do I get Butyl? Well, it's a little late if you don't have it. Where are you going to get it? So this is the tip. Guess where it's at? Pink antifreeze. So you're saying, what the hell is the Wizard talking about pink antifreeze for, or RV antifreeze? This has the ethylene monobutyl glycol ether in it, or butyl, and you'll see it in the ingredients or whatever is on the label. But if you get the pink antifreeze, it has that. You can add this to your stripper and it will boost it. Now, be careful, because if you're around grass, landscape, that kind of stuff, we know what antifreeze does. Yes, don't use it on your neighbor's pets. If you're trying to get rid of your wife, stay away from the antifreeze. Just jokes, just throwing them in there. But it is really good to boost your stripper to help get off that coating that won't come off, and it's readily available and you can grab that in a pinch. Another tip from the Wizard of Wood. I'm Everett Abrams, the Wizard of Wood. A wizard tip. Have a great day. Thanks for subscribing to the channel. Thanks for viewing this video.